this reason, gitu ya. This is the conclusion, the summarize, okay? For this reason, I would rather to choose, gitu. Masuk ke would rather lagi boleh gitu ya. I would rather to choose blah 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 blah. Okay? So, would you mind to repeat means fear, okay? Fear, nocturne. Would you mind to repeat about what I'm talking to you? 7 serious salt the setting sail salt salary. Repeat. 7 serious Sultan. Soldier. Setting. Sail. South. Suddenly. So, anybody can try to use that? Tongue twister. There's the last one, maybe, I guess. Can you catch what all I'm talking to you? Kemudian gitu ya. 7 ya.